Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get a Netflix subscription. So let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I'm on the Netflix PC website on my Chrome browser and I'll be using this to explain. It is very similar for the mobile app as well, so just follow my lead and you should figure it out just fine. Firstly, as you can see, I need to enter my email address and I'll add this email address which I made for tutorial purposes. And once I get it started, as you can see, I need to finish setting up my account. I'll add a new password and I'll just click please do not email me special offers. Then once you've got that, then you need to choose your plan. Here you have the choice between four plans. As you can see, you have the basic for €5, standard for 8, and premium for 10. This just separates how many devices you can watch at the same time, or you can use to watch at the same time. The quality of the video and sound, as you can see, the resolution for basic is 720p, and it goes to 1080p and all the way to 4K Ultra HD plus HDR. For the premium version, you also have spatial audio included in the premium version, so you should get that if you want to get the full experience. As you can see, the devices which you can use at the same time and the download devices go up by one between basic and standard, and on premium you have 4 devices at the same time with 6 download devices. You just select the membership that you want, enter your billing information, and then it'll immediately subtract that amount of money from your account, or reserve the funds depending on what your bank does. And once you've done that, you'll have access to Netflix. You'll have to select some shows that you like from a list that they recommend for you, and then once you've done that, you can just go ahead and use Netflix as much as you want. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.